are here in Jalan Alor. It's a street market and we're seeing the second tallest tower in the world. Merdeka, Berna, ano? Merdeka?
188.
188. Look at that, huh? There you can see it. Second tallest tower in the world. Imagine that, huh? And this is the famous Jalan Alor street food market. That's Ivy Styles here on the busy streets. So, Berna, favorite mo, durian, no? Ang daming durian. Wow! Ako, kakain ako ng durian sa ice cream lang. Grabe, this street is always so busy. Ito palang mahal na durian, ano? Ha? Ito, mahal pala yung blackthorn na yan, Berna. Ha? Di bale, kung gusto mo talaga. Blackthorn pala, mahal. Yan, no? Blackthorn, no? Kanya pala mahal siya, no? Ito pangalan ng place, Jalan Alor Street Market. Ano, ayaw mo? Ayaw mo ng durian?
Mura lang sa Pilipinas.
Actually, yun na yung dulo eh. Pagdating mo doon, papunta na ng pavilion yung banda ron. Isa-isayin na natin. Ito mga prutas na to, mas mura sa durian, no? Mas mura kaysa sa durian. So if you go to Malaysia, which is Kuala Lumpur, you have to visit this place, Jalan Alor. It's basically a street food market. Yan yung sikat na pavilion mall. Sabi, daming gutom. Buting lang kami, busog na, oh. Uy, mukhang masarap, ah. Ito, durian ulit, Mama Berna. Mas mura, pero siguro ibang brand. Anyway. Wow. Buti na lang, busog na kami. Daming food. Ayan, no? Daming mga nakapost. Ako, pag nandito, it's probably my 5th time here. Ang kinakain ko lang dito, stingray. Si Berna, durian. Kain ka na ng durian, Berna. Uy, ano yan? Oh, wow. Ano to? Mukhang pig yan, ah. Lamb pala yung golek. It's a lamb. It looks good, ah. Itong healthy, pomegranate. Very healthy yan. So, ganyan lang ang style ng street food market. Very simple. Kanya sikat na sikat ito. Kasi ito, left and right, panay pagkain. Anywhere you go, it's all about food. Uy, may kumakanta pa. Ayos. May singer pa, oh, Berna. Sikat talaga mga street food market, eh. Kaya pinupuntahan talaga. Ito. Kasama pang pusa.
意思，就跟坐在这儿，你可以坐在咱们吃的地方能慢慢吃。
Saan yung stingray? Ah, yun ang gusto ko, stingray, Berna. Oh, pwede ba tayo order stingray lang? Okay, okay, sige, upo tayo. Mura lang yan. Yeah, mura lang yung stingray. Yan ang pinuntahan ko rito, stingray. Yung kanyang favorite. Mas mahal pa. Stingray, mura-mura lang yan. I'm sure. Magkano lang yung stingray? Ha? Palaki ko, mura na yun. 50? Ha? Tingin tayo sa iba pa. Alam na natin ang presyo. Tingin pa tayo sa iba. Meron pa yan. Naalala ko dati, 30 ringgit lang yan eh. Tingin tayo sa iba pa, baka mas mura. Yung kanyang stingray. Yan lang ang gusto kong kainin eh, stingray. Kasi yung stingray, kaibigan ko yan eh. Pero yun nga lang, talaga masarap siya. So, kainin ko na siya. Yeah. Pag scuba diver ka, kaibigan mo yung mga isda. Ito. Ang daming tao rito. You have stingray? You have? How much stingray? Oh, yeah, you have, no? How much? Oh. How much? Oh.
Small, medium, large.
Oh.
Small, medium, large.
Oh, okay. So, the stingray, 40 is the cheapest?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. 40 pala yung cheapest. Okay. Wow. So many people. Oh, so ano? Okay. Eh kung wala na doon, okay lang. Okay lang. I'm sure baka meron pa eh. 40 daw yung... Pero paano? Wala ka naman maupuan dito. Oh, sige. Okay. Siguro masarap ang stingray dito. Daming customer eh. Okay. Okay, for 2 people. Meron ba? Ayoko sa loob ha. Ayoko sa loob. Ayoko sa loob, Berna. Oo, gusto ko sa labas lang. Ah, pinapapasok ka sa loob eh. Ayoko sa loob. Oh. Masarap dito sa labas. Nakikita mo yung mga taong kumakain. Oh. Oh. Grabe, no? Marami pa doon, hanggang doon. Papuntang pavilion. Wow. Okay. You have stingray? You have stingray? How much stingray? This available? Can... Yeah, I know. But can you sit here? Can sit here? Yeah, we can sit here. Oh, okay. Ito pala eh. Ayos. Dito na tayo, Berna. Ano? Puna tayo? Oh, sige. Oh, talaga may stingray talaga sila. Okay, so we're going to get stingray. Stingray lang tayo, Berna. Papapakin ko lang. Ha? Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Is that medium, small, or large?
It's small, medium.
Small one? Sinabi ko na small.
Oh, sige, ikaw na nagsabi. Okay, okay. Oh,
One
okay.
small.
Okay, ayos, ayos.
Another?
Okay na.
No, that's all.
Oh, wow! Finally, stingray is here. Oh, look at that. Berna, malaki pala, oh. Para siyang panganang tuna. Kung nga lang stingray, napasarap niya, no? May kalamansi. Tapos ito siguro, maanghang yan, no? Maanghang siguro yan. Wow! That will melt into your mouth, Mama Berna.
Hindi yan buong...
Hindi yan buong stingray ko naman. Kung buong stingray yan, eh, di mahal yan. Siguro yan, ano lang yan. Mga 1/4 stingray. Wow. Wala niya sa, ano, kahit sa Manila, sa farmers, wala. Siguro, inaano nila yan, no? Kino-culture yan dito. Oh. Look at that, oh. Daming tao talaga dito. Oh, left and right. Panay, ano, restaurants. Ano, taste test. Sarap. Sarap, sarap. Diba? Sarap, diba? Buti na lang, busog tayo. Stingray lang in order natin. Okay. Ayan, kompleto. May, ano, may chopsticks, may fork. Talagang prepared sila. Kung anong gusto mong way of eating. Okay, kain na ako. Ayan, oh, medyo slimy siya, oh. Huh? Pag di ka sanay talaga, magbabago ka sa ano, eh. Sa lasa, pero slimy. Sarap. O, tapos, syempre, water lang. Water. Ayan. Kinlose up ko na. Itong part na to, ano yan? Buto. Pero, masarap din yan. Pero yung sauce niya, masarap yung sauce. You know, part of the ambience. Nandito ka sa mismong street nila. Uy, gusto ni Berna. Iba yung lasa talaga, no? Sarap yung lasa talaga niya. Iba talaga yung mga street food. Mura na, masarap pa. Wala, hindi, mura na yan. Wala pa langaw. Di ba? Oh. Kapag may langaw, mas masarap pa yan. Stingray is very good, ha? Is this 1/4? 1/4, 1/2?
Yeah?
This 1/4? 1/4 stingray? 1/4.
1/4.
1/4, yeah, it's really good, huh?
Thank
My
you.
wife's gonna pay. Look, no more, almost no more.
Yeah.
Anyway, there's a little more. I will finish a little more.
You know,
Huh?
the bone also can eat.
Yeah, the bone, yeah. Very soft, also the
Also
bone.
can eat.
Yeah. Thank you, huh?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
I came here only for the
Okay,
stingray.
Thank you.
Ready to go, Mama Berna? Let's go. Wow, sarap talaga ang stingray. Oh. Uy, durian na naman. Lakas talaga na amoy ng durian, ano? Ha? Okay. After eating, we need to exercise, walk. Actually, yung hotel namin is less than 2 kilometers away. Pwedeng lakarin, eh. Sa totoo lang. Well, depends on our mood whether we will walk or not, but right now we're just simply enjoying what we're seeing here. People are so hungry, would like to just enjoy the seafoods. I've been here maybe 5 times already, and this place is really well known for so many tourists who love to eat seafoods. Kasi nga, pag kinain nila yung seafoods sa hotel, it's much more expensive. And here, it is cheaper. Uy, ano kaya meron dito? Oh, wow, ano yan? Crabs! Fried crabs in hot. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. Ang sarap yan. Fried crabs. Uy, magkano kaya naman ang presyo nun? Mahal siguro presyo ng fried crabs. Ha? Ayan, Berna. Oh. Magkano kaya presyo niyan? Tanong mo naman, curious lang ako. Magkano kaya presyo niyan? Ha? Tanong mo lang kung magkano. I'm only curious. Look at it, oh. Oh, wow. Magkano kaya ang buong crab? Tanong mo lang kung magkano yung buong crab. Oh, sarap dito. Oysters. Ha? Ah, busy sila. Saka scallops. Ayan, no? Oysters with scallops. Oh, barbecue. Barbecue wings. Masarap din, no? Wow. Grabe. Super dami. At dito may may goose. May goose dito. Hindi lang seafoods, may goose. Okay, so we've reached pinakadulo. Ayun, yun yung pavilion sa taas, yung mall. Ito na yung dulong-dulo ng Jalan Alor. Jalan Alor is a nice place to go to. So many tourists, especially if you want to eat seafoods. And it's a street food market. And we enjoyed it. The name is Jalan Alor.